Fact or fiction, the darker the bread, the healthier it is. But is it really true? What is the difference between white and brown bread? White bread is made from the inner part of the grain named flour, which is not nutritious. The nutritious part, the outer layer containing fiber, vitamins, and minerals, is lost. While brown bread is made of flour and whole wheat flour. Whole wheat flour is produced when all parts of the grain are utilized. Due to the blend of flour and whole wheat flour, brown bread has more nutrients. Brown bread is often a healthier option, but not always. The bread manufacturer might trick you to believe it is healthy. Always check the label. If the bread is dark, but is composed of flour, then it's white bread. Malt flour or caramelized sugar is used to this bread, making it look like brown bread, but it's white bread with a tint.